Hey guys, it is Priestess LaMeel, and I am here today to talk to you about our next little ritual that will ignite your intuition, and it's called Tooth Time. If you are new here, I am Priestess LaMeel of LaMeel.com, and I teach on manifesting, magic, high vibrational living, and spirituality. I hear my phone, but I don't see it. So, today's topic is, or ritual is called Tooth Time. And this is a series of videos that help you ignite your intuition, because your intuition is so very important in manifesting and in magic, right? And these videos can be done in any order. I recommend from 1 to 20, but that's totally up to you. So today's ritual is mindfulness, and the mindfulness is to be done during the time that you spend brushing your teeth. And it would be awesome if you do it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. But here's the thing, mindfulness helps you tune in to your intuition. So how are you going to brush your teeth for the next couple of days? You are going to not have any other sounds going on, not be listening to the news in the background, or if you listen to anything, music, any of those things, right? You are simply going to hear the water run. If you wet your toothbrush, I dip, but if you put toothpaste or tooth oil, whatever it is, onto your toothbrush, take the time, smell what it is that's on your toothbrush, right? And you start to brush your teeth, and you start to feel the sensation, and you tune in to the bristles touching the teeth, the gums, the cheeks, the tongue. What does that feel like? Do you hear the sound of you actually brushing your teeth, right? Pay attention to all of that. When you go to rinse, feel all of the sensation of where it is that the water is hitting. If you gargle afterwards, that whole entire process, I want you to note, how does it taste? How does it sound? How does it feel in every moment? And I mean, we only brush our teeth for about a minute each time, right? So it shouldn't be a laborious ritual. But if you take that time to just be mindful, you are going to notice that you will start to hear the birds. You will start to hear crickets. You will start to notice flowers where you didn't notice flowers before. And this is good, because now you're tuning in to what your higher self and your intuition is guiding you to see and acknowledge, because on your growth, along your journey, on your path, all of these things and your awareness of the things around you, the people around you, the sensations, will help you be way more intuitive. Because, you know, again, when you're intuitive, you're following the sensations of the emotions and the energy and sensation within your body. So when you start to acknowledge sensations of brushing your hair, washing your face, brushing your teeth, like you're going to be doing from this point forward, it also teaches you to acknowledge the sensations within your body. And that's about helping you follow your intuition. So, leave me a comment below. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if it was hard for you. If it wasn't, what did you enjoy about it? And I will see you in the next video for day 8, which is about following your gut.